So hey guys, how's everyone? So today I want to bring you a quick little video letting you guys know of another recall that affects over 330,000 Honda vehicles. It's due to a part that's not being manufactured correctly, and it could spill over to more models than what they're including right now. But it has to do with the side mirrors here. So supposedly on some models, the heating pads behind the side view mirrors are not bonded properly, which could lead to the mirror actually falling out. And so, of course, you know why that'd be kind of serious if all of a sudden the mirror just falls off. And the vehicles that this recall is including, it's the 2020 to 2022 Honda Odyssey, 2020 to 2022 Passport, and 2020 to 2021 Pilot and Ridgeline. So it's kind of funny how if you look at the model years, it starts at 2020. You know, a lot of people were saying when the cars were being manufactured during COVID and all that, things that got missed. As far as the quality, things were kind of slipping. It kind of seems the case here too, because it's all these newer model years and small things too. Like they weren't bonded properly. So something that probably didn't really happen much in the past, now it's becoming an issue. Like I said, over 330,000 vehicles. And they have reports where the mirror just falls out. So if you guys have one of those vehicles, or even if you don't, even if you have a Honda or Acura product, pay attention. If you notice the mirror is getting loose by itself, never been hit, nothing like that, you know, keep track of this. Because like I said, a lot of times these recalls, they'll start with a batch of vehicles and they'll find out that it includes more, and they'll expand the recall as they dig into this. So it's something to take notice of if, like I said, all of a sudden it just falls out for no reason. And so the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said that these vehicles don't comply with the necessary rear visibility requirements, of course. So the Honda dealer is going to replace side view mirrors on the vehicles that are affected. And they're going to notify the owners of the vehicles that are affected starting May 8th. So it is a ways. That's why I want to give you guys a heads up, because that is over a month away. So just pay attention if you get a letter sent home from Honda that it might not be junk. Like a lot of us have a tendency to just toss them in the garbage. And if you guys are concerned, say your vehicle's having an issue and you notice the mirror is getting loose, you can call the Honda customer service number. And here's the number right here. It's 1-888-234-2138. And ask them if your vehicle's affected. They'll be able to take your VIN and search it up and let you know. Like I said, and if nothing's an issue, then just wait around probably mid-May, I would say. If you get a letter, then you'll know what this is about. And they'll fix it free of charge, of course. So again, I just want to give you guys a heads up. Let me know if you guys had any issues with this and any Honda product, Acura product. If you guys notice your side mirrors becoming loose or falling out even, in that matter, I'd like to know about it. Okay? So I hope that helps you guys out. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.